a list of candidates eligible for interview for the post of fireman. So there are a total of 60 candidates selected for the post of fireman for the personal interview. So remember the date of interview and the reporting time and the place of interview. So kindly check your name in the list.